the biggest anime convention in the country is being held in a week. And your boy gotta shake things up a little bit because all he's been doing is watching Jujutsu Kaisen all day. Which is why I will be using cosplay to transform into Gojo Satoru and leave my comfort zone to expand my domain outside my house. Here's the thing though, I kinda spent all my money on tickets and the Airbnb, which means I'm broke and I don't have too much to work with. You know, I am Spanish, guys, but they don't call me El Cheapo for nothing. So I'm going to Amazon to buy myself the cheapest wig I can find. I've been turned into a foam mannequin head, and I can't seem to move my mouth. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not a mannequin head. I'm actually right here behind the camera. What's up?
What's up, dude?
We got our Gojo wig. This wig is so long, it looks like we're up for our first challenge already. We're gonna have to cut a lot of this off.
Let's get down to business.
First thing we're gonna want to do is take our comb and then brush this guy's hair nice and flat like. And honestly, this is why you can't just buy wigs and put them on, because this is way too long to be Gojo Satoru's hair. Before I can start cutting this wig, I gotta find the frame of reference. So while my roommate was sleeping, I stole his iPad so we could get this nice, beautiful picture of our beloved Gojo. And I also got some brand new hair clips. I'm gonna be using the back of this comb to help part the hair. So now I'm grabbing these hair clips, shoving them where I don't want to cut. I'm gonna grab this bang right here and start cutting upwards. But I want it to be even better, so we're gonna take these thinning shears and start thinning off the ends of his bangs. Do you like it when I play with your hair, Gojo Satoru? Oh yeah, you like that? You like it? You like it when I cut you like that? Huh? Freaking weirdo. Alright, I pulled up a Fortnite PNG of Gojo. Now I think it's just time I just start thinning out the rest of the hair. But realistically, guys, I can't go any further until I clean up this mess. Hey guys, look, he's just like me. Trash! Slapping in my crimping iron for this next step, since we're gonna want to get his hair nice and thick, you know? Yuji Itadori's type.
I like a tall woman with a nice big ass.
And now we could bring out our flat iron to help us flatten out all these little wrinkles that the last tool left on the hair. Now that we got this guy's hair all nice and straight, it's time to actually start styling him. When we crimped his hair earlier, we set ourselves up because this gives us the advantage to give him those classic hair spikes anime characters like to have. I feel like I got just the right shape and the style I want the hair to look. Time to spray it down with some hairspray. Heck yeah, we did it! We got the freaking wig!
Look at this dude.
This is looking sick. Time to move on to the next step. And that is to find something to wear. Check out the trash we got, guys. Oh, what? A perfect white button-up? This isn't staged at all. Corduroy black pants. And what else could we have in here, guys? Oh my gosh, guys, what do you think this is in the comments down below? Because I'm pretty sure it's just a normal, ordinary bidet, right? Yeah, okay. Ooh, still a little wet in there. Guys, did we really hit the jackpot with this one? Holy moly. No way! Blue Vogue sunglasses? But I do know that a lot of people run into the problem where they can't afford cosplay. So don't be afraid to get a little bit creative with what you already have. And with that being said, it's time to ride on down to Los Angeles, California. Yeehaw! Welcome to my makeup tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how I like to get ready in the morning as Gojo Satoru. I like to start off by putting polka dots all over my face by using concealer. Then blot that until I get a consistent color everywhere. Lastly, I add the finishing powder. That way, the makeup stands a better chance of staying on my face throughout the day. Now, it's time to put on the wig cap. Finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, where I put on the wig and sunglasses. Now, this really ties everything together. Before we can even think about stepping foot into Anime Expo, you just gotta see the Airbnb I spent most of my money on.
Look at our castle. Let's show it off. We can't go over there.
That's the Forbidden Forest.
And then look up.
So do you think we could smoke all this stuff?
I do.
Oh. So this is like the kitchen area. We got Mr. Robbie Epic Sauce in the background. Oh, and that's Buggy. Whoa, Tori, are those drinks that you found?
Look at them. Look, the original Red Bull and an Agumon special. Can we redo this?
No. Fuck. Alright, here, if you follow me through this art gallery, this is the living room. Lots of pretty colors on the wall, lots of pretty art. Outside the living room, you will see this wonderful backyard. Fire pit, couch, all that fun stuff. And then we have the pool. Now this pool is very deep. Guys, for 500 likes, I will jump in that pool in full Gojo cosplay. So this right here is like a nice chill talking space. Though I will say a good majority of this art is kind of nude. And then here comes my favorite part. This little window overlooking the whole backyard. Do I jump? Oh! Oh! No. This is where I'm staying. The only downside is every time I need something for my room, I have to go up 2 flights of stairs. And the house tour couldn't be complete without a room tour. So here's my bed, the 2 nightstands, and most importantly, my favorite part of this room, the freaking cucking couch in the corner. And with that being said, our house tour is over. So, you know what this means, right? We're on our way to Anime Expo. Anime Expo. We got my first object, traffic cone. Oh yeah, let's infinite void this place up. We got this cursed creature out here. Do you guys think I should exorcise him? Ooh, I might. Ooh, ooh. Crying? You're crying? You crying? You're crying? You're crying? You're literally crying! You're the one crying! Stop crying! Stop crying, bro! Yo, Imo! What's up, guys? I'm Gojo.
I'm Gojo.
And we're bodyguards.
I needed help.
It's the Shinigami. What are your red flags?
I play League of Legends.
Oh my god. Yeah, I gotta go. Guys, my friend Nash just met Cole Sprouse. He's played some of the most memorable roles ever, like Cody from The Sweet Life and Jughead from Riverdale. So, after hours of walking tirelessly through the con, now I have a goal, and that is to find Cole Sprouse. I've been hearing a lot of noise at the Crunchyroll booth, so that's gonna be the first place I check. Turns out the reason I was hearing so much noise was because they were hosting a dance floor. So I decided to bust out some of my moves. Then they handed me an anime figure for participating. Sasuke! But no luck finding Cole Sprouse, so I'm gonna check out the Caseify Jujutsu Kaisen booth. Maybe he's a Jujutsu Kaisen fan and he asks me for a picture. But no luck there either. Though I did get to bust out some more moves with another brojo. After all that dancing, I'm pretty hungry. So I decided to take a quick pit stop and eat some overpriced meat on a stick. Afterwards, my search continued for Cole Sprouse, but he was nowhere to be found. Therefore, I've chosen to give up. And just when I thought I couldn't find him, you'll never believe what just happened to me. Either someone or their dog pissed on the floor and I fucking put my leg in it.